Hey y'all, Chef Sunshine here, bringing you another delicious kid-friendly recipe for heart.org. We're missing the kid today, but I know exactly what they like. So let's start by walking through our ingredients today. We have whole grain tortillas, low sodium black refried beans, tortilla chips, shredded cheddar, baby spinach leaves, salsa, and some avocado. Start off by spreading these low sodium refried beans on here. I got these canned and ready to go, but you can certainly make them from scratch. If you make them from scratch, using garlic and onion while you're cooking the beans instead of salt is always a good idea. So you want to keep this centered and not add too much, because if you overstuff these, they're going to be real hard to handle. So we start with the beans on the bottom, then we're going to take a few of these chips. And I know salt-free tortilla chips are hard to come by, so if you have to get the salted ones, that's not a big deal because it's not a major component in this, and you're being conscientious about your sodium in the rest of the dish. So don't drive yourself crazy. I always say when you're shopping, grocery shopping, and just compare labels. Don't pressure yourself. Whatever has the least amount of sodium for each product that you're getting, choose that one. Okay, so we're putting the tortilla chips on for the crunch part. Then we're going to sprinkle the cheese over that. And the reason I'm building it in this order is because if we put the cheese over the tortilla chips and it melts, it's going to protect the crunchiness against the spinach because it's going to wilt and get a little moist. Then we're going to layer that on there. Some kids are into salsa, some aren't. If they're not into salsa, serve some cherry tomatoes on the side. Make sure you're just adding veggies wherever you can. If they want shredded carrots in it, that's awesome. Diced sweet potatoes, beautiful. So we have our spinach. I am going to do a wee bit of salsa and then serve some more on the side. You can also take a lime and squeeze a little bit on there for extra flavor. Lemon and lime and citrus is a really good replacement for extra salt because it sort of hits all those taste buds. So after that, we're going to I cut one of those tortillas up into quarters, and that's going to go in the center so that when we fold it up, and we're going to do one fold, you're going to fold it sort of like a petal over it, or an envelope, a square envelope, right? Over it, and just go doing quarter turns and then end up here. There you go. So let me see if we can do it without, I'm actually going to press it down to make it stay. You can see what the shape is. And then we're going to easily flip this over, put it on our sheet pan, and move on to the next one. So out of the oven they are, and let's take a look at them. I'm going to flip them over. As you can see, they're nice little envelopes. Go. A little bit crunchy on top. They'll definitely be crunchy inside. If your oven doesn't get them crunchy on the outside, no big deal, as long as they're soft and warm and everything's warmed through. I'm going to serve it with a little bit of avocado, and for me, some cilantro. There we go. Quick and easy, and something kids will definitely like. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you for the next episode.